Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new vlog. So today I would be showing you how to thrift in Canada. As in हम जा रहे हैं अभी Once Upon a Child करके एक जगह. That's a place where you get kids, children clothing from 0 to I think 14 years of age. So it's a seconds shop, but it has got everything in very good condition. एंड एक मैंने गैप के शर्ट्स वहाँ पे लिए हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए फॉर $1. सो इट्स वेरी चीप. आपको मैंने दिखाया है कि मैं शॉपिंग कहाँ से करती हूँ फॉर माई किड्स. दैट इज़ कार्टर्स और ओल्ड नेवी का जो व्लॉग है वो शायद आपने मेरे चैनल में देखा होगा. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. बिफोर वी गेट स्टार्टेड मैं अच्छे से अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देती हूँ. फॉर दोज हु आर न्यू टू माई चैनल, प्लीज़ गो अहेड एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल ATI Canada Vlogs for more vlogs and videos about Canada. And I am a lifestyle vlogger based out of Toronto, and I post anything and everything related to my experience as a immigrant in Canada. So guys, we have reached Once Upon a Child. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे क्लियरेंस में भी सब 90% ऑफ लगा हुआ है. दिस इज़ अ सेकेंड्स प्लेस. आप यहाँ पे अपने अच्छे यूज्ड कपड़े, टॉयज़, बुक्स बच्चों के जो होते हैं, यू कैन कम हियर एंड सेल एंड यू विल गेट गुड मनी फॉर दैट. सो इट्स वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे जो भी मैंने ख़रीदा है हैज़ बीन ऑफ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी एंड इट हैज़ नॉट बीन कि अच्छा चलो एकदम वेयर एंड टेयर हो गया है, ऐसा नहीं है यहाँ पे. सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड. This is the sleepwear section, and social distancing norms are being followed. So we need to get something for Kian. सो गाइज वी आर डन शॉपिंग एट वंस अपॉन अ चाइल्ड एंड मैं घर जाके आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी कि मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा. एंड आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ ओनली फॉर $70. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्लेस टू सेव योर मनी इफ यू आर बाइंग. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? If you are planning to buy things for your toddlers. I started shopping in Once Upon a Child when my Kian was 2 years old. So most of his clothes and his books and his toys etc. are from that place and they are really in very good condition. So मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ कि मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा. So once we go home I'll make that video. Hey guys, hi. So well, I am back from my shopping spree. तो मैं वापस आ चुकी हूँ और ये है मेरा Once Upon a Child का बैग. As you can see, I shopped a lot and all this is for just $77. मैंने कुछ items clearance में भी लिए थे. Let me adjust this a little bit. So I got some items from clearance also for the kids. एंड मैं आपको पहले बता देती हूँ कि व्हाट इज़ वंस अपॉन अ चाइल्ड. मैंने आपने वीडियो में भी देखा होगा कि मैंने शूट किया है, कि बताया भी है कि दिस इज़ द अफोर्डेबल क्लोथिंग ऑप्शन फॉर किड्स starting from toddlers to pre-teens till 6, 7, 8 years. 14 years बोला था मैंने पहले, but I just saw, I went there after a long time. अभी अब मैंने जाके देखा तो you will get clothes for around 7 years तक के आपको clothes मिल जाएंगे for both boys and girls. So चलिए let me show you what I bought. मेरा Once Upon a Child haul. यहाँ पे कुछ items are there which are brand new in box. Like you can get socks, accessories like mittens and hats and clips and everything. All those things are even stockings for kids, girls. All those things are brand new. और कुछ चीज़ें ब्रांड न्यू टॉयज़ भी रखते हैं ये लोग, एंड दे कीप सेकेंड्स एज वेल. सो आई एज यू हैव सीन इन माई वीडियो, एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी वेल kept and well maintained, and they only take those items which are properly used. कोई wear and tear नहीं होता है usually. So let's start. Everything is, whatever is there here is just for $77, and I think it's really worth it. If you are in Canada and you have kids and you're planning to save money on shopping for kids, you must visit Once Upon a Child. So let's start. First off, I bought this for the kids. This is a Canadian Play money set. इसमें ये ऐसे आया है in box. It's just for $3. So I can teach them about the types of coins and the notes that we have here in Canada. So I bought this. It's kind of an educational toy. It's just for $3 and it's a steal. उसके बाद मैंने कुछ socks लिए हैं. These are brand new for Kian. Then I bought this pair of shoes. It's a branded Zara boys का shoe है. See, size 10 is my son's size. This is toddler size 10 and this is from Zara. Most of the things are branded. 99% of the things are branded. And good brands, very well kept. You can see कि कितना अच्छा maintain करा हुआ है ये shoes. It is almost new. So how much is this for? This is only for $8 and it's a really good deal, I believe. Then what else did I get? This I bought. This is an Old Navy full sleeve t-shirt. This is for Kian, and this I got for clearance. It was for $5 and it had 90% off. So iska price is just $1, which is amazing. You can see here. Then I got this jeans. This is a branded jeans. It's as good as new. You can see कोई wear and tear नहीं है. It's very good in quality. This was for just $10 and this is a Tommy Hilfiger jeans. Tommy Hilfiger, sorry. 4T. He's 4 years old, so I got this 4T का Tommy Hilfiger jeans. I don't know, some problem with my camera, my tripod. बार बार नीचे आ रहा है ये. But I hope you will not mind. So this is a branded jeans which I got only for $10. It's a steal. फिर मैंने लिया है ये pant, khaki pant, and let me see what brand is this. I can't see the brand properly, but this is something which I really like. The color is it's greenish green and with a hint of blue. here. This is amazing. Here it's just for I got this for $7, which is amazing deal again. फिर मैंने लिया है कियान के लिए ये कार्टर्स का 4T शर्ट, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. अगेन this is only for, how much did I pay for this? This I got just for $5, guys. It's amazing, right? It's as good as new. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Here. The next item that I got is this. It's a thermal kind of outerwear with a zip in here. This is from the Children's Place. It's a vintage collection. You can see it's so good. Again, I got this for a deal of how much? It's for clearance. I got this for, it is actually for $6, but then 90% off था इस पे, तो उससे भी कम मुझे मिला है ये. Let me see what I got next. Most of the things I bought for Kian because he is going to school now and he would need clothes. So this is another jacket which I bought for Kian. This is Puma brand jacket. This is a branded jacket that I got, and this is for how much? Let's see. This is only for $9, guys, and it's so pretty. It is such a good color, red and black. The Black Panther is here, so it is a steal again. Then what I got some pajama sets for Kian, night suits. This is a full pajama set. This is from Carter's again. This is the Walmart Carter brand called Just For You. This is the top that is there, the pajama set. This, and this is the pant. This I got for, let me see how much I got this for. This is only for $5, guys. Carter's के कपड़े आपको इतने सस्ते मिलते हैं नहीं, and you can see the quality here. It's amazing. This one odd thing I bought for Tiana. This is a sweater that I got for her, and it's from the brand Gap. I got this for, let me see, it's only for $8, guys. गैप के कपड़े आपको $20 के कम से कम में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, और बच्चों के कपड़े बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं यहाँ पे. Then I got this pair of socks for Tiana. Here, guys. The next item I got for Kian is again another winter pajama set. This is the Marvel collection. It's Spider-Man. He loves Spider-Man, so I got this for him. This is the pant, and again this is just for $5, guys. It's really cheap, and it's I think it's one of the best things you can do for your kids if you want to buy in bulk. I got these many clothes. अभी भी बचा हुआ है मेरा shopping haul, अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. So next thing that I got was at these Star Trek pajama set, again for Kian. Next time when I go, I'll do a haul video. I'll buy stuff for Tiana, and I'll do a haul video for toddler girls. So you can see that this is also a very, the quality is amazing, and it's almost new. There are no wear and tear again. I think I'm saying this for the upteenth time, but I really like Once Upon a Child. I've never been disappointed, and I have also saved a lot of money in shopping. So this Star Trek pajama set, this is from Star Wars, sorry. This is only for $5, guys, and it's amazing. Quality wise आप देख सकते हैं इधर. Okay, and the last pajama set that I bought for Kian is this one. This is from Joe Fresh. Joe Fresh is a superstore brand. उनके कपड़े भी बड़े सही होते हैं. This is also a pajama set. This is a little Christmassy. It has all reindeers and These are some flowers. Oh no, these are snowflakes which are made here. Now he loves these patterns. So all red and blue, you can see here. So he can wear it for Christmas also. Quality again, this is flannel. It's good for the winters. Again, the quality for all the goods is very good. And these are all brand new things. The accessories are all brand new here. Also, there was a deal going on for books. If you get 10 books, you'll get 10 books for $10. That's really cheap. And $1 each for a book for kids. So if you are here in Toronto, and actually I think this is there in US as well. So if you are in North America and you're looking to save a lot of money on your kids' toys, clothes, socks, accessories, etc., please visit Once Upon a Child once. ऐसा नहीं है कि it's सस्ता तो मतलब क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होगी. You can get almost everything starting from child swings and then strollers and clothes, books, everything there in Once Upon a Child. ऐसा नहीं है कि I do not shop new for my kids. I have shown you that I have shopped from Old Navy and Carter's, etc. for the kids, but this is like a very good deal which I could not miss, since Kian is going to school and he would be needing a lot of clothes. So daily wear ke liye this is very good. Last but not the least, I also got something very cute for Kian and Tiana. These are little dinosaurs, and these dinosaurs, if you put them in a bowl of water, they'll grow 6 times in size. This I will see, I'll show, I'll do an experiment and I'll put it on my channel. So this is all that I got for Kian and Tiana from Once Upon a Child. Hope you guys liked my video. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to Ati Canada Vlogs. And I try posting videos, 2 to 3 videos every week. But if that doesn't happen, I try posting at least one video. If I'm not able to post 2 to 3, there's at least one new video which you will see on my channel regarding Canada and my lifestyle here, and how I am dealing with all the new experiences as a immigrant from India. I am here for the past 8 years again, and I came as a PR and I'm a citizen now. So I'm just documenting my journey. I should have done this before, I think, but nevertheless, I'm documenting all my journey, my children's journey. Hope my experience is of some help to you, and please keep supporting me as you have supported me throughout. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Hope you enjoyed the whole video. I'll try to make more videos, more informational videos and haul videos, and give you an idea as to what life here is for an immigrant, for a first generation immigrant. So till then, take care, bye bye. Hope you all are having a very nice day, those who are watching from India, and good night to all my friends who are watching from North America. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.